Have you ever wondered if your feelings, those moments of joy, sadness, love, or fear are real, or if they're just the result of chemical reactions in your brain? Our emotions are indeed influenced by brain chemistry, and neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine play a major role in how we feel. For example, low serotonin levels are often linked to depression, while dopamine fluctuations can affect our sense of pleasure and motivation. But is that all there is to emotions? Emotions are much more than just neurotransmitters. They are shaped by a mix of biology, psychology, and our environment. Yes, brain chemistry matters. These tiny molecules in our brain influence everything from mood to energy levels. But while they are a critical piece of the puzzle, they're not the whole story. Serotonin, known as the feel-good transmitter, helps regulate mood, sleep, appetite, and digestion. Low levels are linked to depression and anxiety. Dopamine, often called the reward neurotransmitter, is crucial for motivation, pleasure, and focus. It's what makes achieving a goal feel satisfying. Norepinephrine is the neurotransmitter associated with the body's fight or flight response, helping us stay alert and respond to stress. It also plays a role in focus and energy levels. Lastly, endorphins. These are the body's natural painkillers. They are released during activities like exercise, laughter, or even eating chocolate, creating feelings of happiness and relaxation. In 2018, I had the opportunity to take a neurotransmitter study, and the results were eye-opening. It turned out I had several imbalances in my brain, and the fascinating part was correlating those results with the emotions and physical states I was experiencing daily. Despite living a healthy lifestyle, I struggled to focus. My moods were all over the map. Sleep was terrible. I was holding on to weight and constantly felt stuck in fight or flight mode. This experience sparked my deep fascination with understanding the brain as energy. It made me realize that what we often perceive as our personality or even negative aspects of ourselves is frequently rooted in physiology and biology. For me, I believe about 50% of these imbalances were familial, and the other 50% a result of lifestyle and life experiences. So, how can you tell if you might have an imbalance in one of these neurotransmitters? Common signs include persistent changes in mood, energy levels, focus, or sleep patterns. For example, low serotonin might show up as depression or irritability, while dopamine imbalances could lead to low motivation or even addictive behaviors. Thankfully, there are many ways to bring your neurotransmitters back into balance. These include both holistic methods and, when necessary, medical interventions. Regular exercise is one of the most effective ways to boost serotonin, dopamine, and endorphins. Practices like yoga and meditation can also reduce stress and support a balanced brain chemistry. Dietary adjustments, such as eating foods rich in amino acids like tryptophan, found in turkey, eggs, and nuts, can help your body produce serotonin. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and flax seeds are also great for brain health. Sleep hygiene. Prioritize quality sleep to support your body's natural neurotransmitter production. Supplements, natural options like St. John's wort, SAMe, or omega-3 supplements can support mood, but always consult your healthcare professional first before starting any supplements. Professional help. Sometimes prescription medications or other therapies are necessary for significant imbalances. Do not hesitate to seek guidance from a medical professional if needed. Our thoughts, beliefs, and memories also shape our emotions. How we interpret a situation can completely change how we feel about it. For example, imagine someone doesn't text you back. Do you think they're mad at you, or do you believe they're just busy? That interpretation shapes your emotional response. Emotions are influenced by our relationships and surroundings. A warm hug, a kind word, or even the ambiance of a room can evoke powerful feelings. These experiences go beyond brain chemistry and connect us deeply to others and the world. And don't forget the physical side of emotions. Think about the racing heart when you're anxious or the relaxed breath when you are calm. Emotions live in our bodies as much as in our minds. So are emotions real? Absolutely. While neurotransmitters play an essential role, emotions are also shaped by our thoughts, relationships, and experiences. They are what make us human, giving meaning to our lives and guiding our decisions. So what do you think? Are emotions just brain chemistry or something more profound? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video thought-provoking, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.